Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing a carp rig, or you could also use it for catfish or pier fishing. It's pretty much just to chum and attract the fish. So you're going to be using a medicine container, a swivel, double loose swivel, some hooks, 14-pound line, some drill bits, and a drill. So let's get to it. So first things first, we're going to be drilling a hole on top and the bottom of the container. I'll be using a smaller drill bit for that, and the sides we're going to be using a thicker, much bigger for the holes on the side. So as you can see, I drilled the top and the bottom. Now let's go ahead and do the sides. You do any pattern you like. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you drill all the holes, it should look something like this. Next step will be passing this line to the top and through the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Top and bottom. All right, so this is how it's looking. I decided to put some beads on each side. Now let's go ahead and put the swivel. This one on top, this one on bottom. It should look something like this. Beads, swivel, goes through the little bottle, can, and the swivel. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the weight at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and add some line to the top swivel. Weight, swivel, beads, goes through the little container. Some more beads on top. Now the swivel and the line. Now let's go ahead and add the hooks. And this should be the end result. Your carp rig. It could be used for catfish, or it could be used for off the pier, like I mentioned. Weight, your swivel, some beads. The line goes to the container. Add some more beads. Another swivel. You got your hook. Another swivel at the end. There you have it. Just pretty much put your little bait, chum in here. You open the container like so. Put the stuff in there. Close it up. Cast it out there. And hopefully catch a carp or some catfish or other species. Thanks for watching. SGV Bullies. Let's get it.